Okay, diagram 1.2 shows the atomic arrangement of steel alloy. Okay, steel alloy. Okay, based on diagram 1.2, state the name of X. Okay guys, alloy. Steel alloy ni consists of what element consists in steel alloy? Ada berapa elemen dalam steel alloy? How many? How many? Two. Very good Atira. There are carbon and iron. Very good. So X ni for sure is iron. Okay. Which one is better? Alloy or pure metal? Which one is better? Alloy or pure metal? Respond. Alloy. Why Alvin? Why alloy is much better than its pure element? Kenapa Atira? Better durability. Other than that? Harder. Okay. Lagi? Ada better durability, dia tidak corrosive. Okey, apa yang menyebabkan alloy ini better? Apa yang menyebabkan will not slide? Very good NG. Kenapa dia tak sliding NG? Why the alloy difficult to slide compared to its pure metal? Because the size of atom is different. Very good Alvin. Very good Xiaoqi. Because it consists more than one element that have different size. Bila different size, so the arrangement of atom tu akan tak in orderly manner. It's not in orderly manner. Bila not in orderly manner, bila kita apply force, so it's very difficult to sliding. That's why alloy much better than its pure metal. Okay, state the name of X. So kita tahu dah kalau steel alloy ada carbon and then X adalah iron. Satu markah. Okay, next. Steel alloy is mainly used in the construction of bridge and buildings due to its highly tensile strength. Explain why steel is used in the term of its atomic arrangement. Okay, berdasarkan soalan ni dia minta kamu cerita pasal atomic arrangement. Tadi kita dah bincang berkaitan dengan atomic arrangement of steel kan. So now apa point dia? Ada 3 markah. Kita nak tulis apa? Point yang pertama, alloy consists more than one element with different size. Okay, markah yang pertama. Okay, next, markah yang kedua. So this atom disrupt the arrangement of atoms of pure metal. Point yang kedua. So the last point. So it will prevent atom from sliding when force apply, make it more stronger. Okay, so the keyword yang penting adalah yang pertama. Mesti kamu tulis ada more than one element with different size. Satu. Next, mesti ada dia akan disturb the arrangement of atoms of pure metal. Okay, dia mengganggu susunan pure metal. And then last one, bila the arrangement of atom tu tak sama, dia akan prevent from sliding and then make it more stronger. Okay, next. 3 markah dekat situ. Okay, next. State the name of alloy formed if chromium is added to the steel alloy. So nama alloynya apa? When we add chromium. Apakah namanya? Apakah namanya? Stainless steel. Very good. Stainless steel. Okay, inside the stainless steel, ada berapa element inside the stainless steel? We have iron, and then we have carbon, we have chromium. One more. Apa lagi, ada satu lagi? Kita ada apa lagi dalam stainless steel? Iron, carbon, chromium. Lagi satu? Respon. Dalam stainless steel kita ada 4 element. We have iron, we have carbon, so we have chromium. One more. Apakah? Respon. Apakah dia? Kita ada nickel. Okay, we have nickel. What is the uses of stainless steel? Apa kegunaan stainless steel? Apa kegunaan stainless steel dekat our daily life? We use stainless steel untuk buat apa? To make what? To make what? Stainless steel used to make what? To make? Dengar tak aku cakap?
Sudu garfu.
Sudu garfu. Pandai. Cikgu kakak tak dengar. Okey, buat cutlery dan juga boleh juga buat alatan-alatan pembedahan. Okey. Kerana apa? Because stainless steel ni dia tidak berkarat. Dia tak corrodes. Okay, next. Okay, habis soalan yang pertama. Then we go to question number 2. Diagram 2 shows the electron arrangement model proposed by Niels Bohr. Okay, proposed by Niels Bohr. We have nucleus of atom X and then we have electron. Okay guys, inside the nucleus we have 2 subatomic yang located in nucleus. Apakah dia? What subatomic located at nucleus? Respond.
Neutron, proton.
Proton, neutron.
Okay, very good. Neutron and proton. Okay, dekat shell is electron. So Y is shell.
Yeah.
Shell, for the first shell maximum can occupy berapa? For the first shell?
2.
2. The rest can fill up until?
8.
Maximum 8. Yes, perfect. Pandai. Okay, state the name of Y. Okay, the name of Y is shell. Senang je soalan. Okay, state the name of subatomic particles inside the nucleus of atom X. So, 2 markah, kena tulis 2 subatomic. There are proton and neutron. Okay. State the electron arrangement of ion X. So, before we write the electron arrangement of ion X, kita tengok dulu X ni adalah atom. So kita kena kira berapakah atom X. The first shell is 2, the second shell is 2, 4, 6. 2.6 ni adalah atom. So they ask you to write ion. So how? How to write ion? Kalau atom is 2.6. 2.6. So if ion, macam mana nak buat dia stable? Release or receive electron for X? Toh respon. Tak kena panggil nama ni. Senyap je. 2.6. So 2.6 ni is atom. How to make it become ion? Ion ni menyebabkan this atom stable. So kena buat apa? Release ke receive electron kalau nak bagi dia stable? Untuk
Receive.
X.
Receive.
Receive. Receive how many? How many electron receive?
2.
2. Kalau receive what charge?
Negative.
Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Very good. So charge ni adalah X. X tu minus kan? Lepas tu dia minta electron arrangement 2.8. Selamat datang Puan Suria. Okay, now we go to question D. Element X has the boiling point of -183 degrees Celsius. Predict the physical state at X at room temperature. Okay, first of all, berapa room temperature? Room temperature tu berapa? Room temperature is around?
25.
Okay,
25.
25. Okay, kita ambil room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, element X has boiling point. Boiling point ni, what is the physical state change? Boiling point from?
Liquid to gas.
Yes, very good. Liquid to gas. Okay, so kita buatlah sini. From liquid to gas, temperature dia is -183 degrees Celsius. So room temperature is around here, betul? 25 degrees Celsius. So agak-agak what is the physical state of X at room temperature?
Gas.
Gas.
Pandai, yes. Very good. Perfect. Okay, next. Okay, we go to next question. Based on kinetic theory of matter, describe the arrangement satu and the movement of particles X at room temperature. So question B tadi kita dah tahu dah, at room temperature X in the form of gas. So how about the arrangement of particles? Macam mana arrangement of particles for X at room temperature? Arrangement dia. Respon?
Particles are far apart.
Okay, betul. Particle far between each other. Okay, how about the movement? How about the movement?
Move freely
Move?
and randomly.
Move?
Freely and
Yes,
randomly.
move freely and randomly. And boleh tambah move randomly and freely and collide with each other. Sebab dia terlampau laju, dia move very fast. So dia akan berlanggar antara satu sama lain. Will collide with each other. Okay, D. Table 2 shows the proton number and nucleon number for atom P, Q and R. Okay, cikgu nak tanya sekali lagi. This one dia tulis nucleon number, proton number. Soalan cikgu, adakah terms untuk neutron number and electron number? Ada ke tidak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada, betul. Proton number and nucleon number actually is term. Proton number definition dia adalah number of proton. Nucleon number also term. Nucleon number tu term, definition dia or meaning dia adalah total number of proton and number of what nucleon? Total number
Neutron.
of number of proton and number of neutron. Very good. So proton number and nucleon number actually is term. Okay. So janganlah cari, memang takkan jumpa electron number, neutron number, tak ada. Ini dua sahaja yang ada term proton number and nucleon number. Okay, now we go to this one. Atom P 16, 32, 16. Okay, Q 17, 35. So agak-agak neutron dia berapa? How to get
80.
neutron? How to get
35
number of
minus
neutron?
17.
35 minus
Okay,
17.
35 minus 17. Nucleon number minus proton number. Jawapannya berapa? 18.
80.
Determine the number of neutrons in Q. Okay, senang saja, dah kira tadi 18. Alright, state why at Q and R have same chemical properties. Kenapa dia ada same chemical properties, guys? Because kenapa Q and R ada same chemical properties?
Proton number same.
Okay, proton number same means both located in. Ya ke proton number same? No. Apa yang menyebabkan dia same chemical properties? Because both located and at same what?
Group.
Same group. So kalau same group maksudnya dia sama apa? Okey, tengok sini. Electron arrangement dia 2.8.7. Yang menyebabkan dia same group because these two have same number of valence electron. Itu jawapan yang paling tepat. Okay. Okay, both Q and R have same same valence electron. There is 7. Ini jawapan yang paling tepat kalau ditanya why Q and R have same chemical properties, because both have same valence electron, that is 7. Kalau kamu cakap same group, tak, masih lagi tak tepat. Same group sebab apa? Sebab dia berada di group 70, sebab dia ada same valence electron. Okay, boleh jangan tulis lepas ni same group. Kena tulis valence electron dia. Okay, next. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 3. Empirical formula of metal X oxide can be determined by using the apparatus setup shows in diagram 3. So diagram 3 kat bawah ni. Okay, sebelum cikgu tanya, ada berapa method to determine empirical formula? How many method to detect or to find the empirical formula of metal X? Or other method? Ada berapa method? How many method? How many method? Respond.
2.
2, very good. First method, macam diagram bawah ni, using hydrogen gas. Okay, the second method guna method apa guys? Second method using?
Number of mole.
Number of mole? No, macam mana eksperimen yang kita nak buat selain daripada kita buat gambar kat bawah ni, we flow the hydrogen gas.
Use the crucible to burn.
Very good. Kita directly heated. So kita akan guna crucible like this. And then we put the magnesium ribbon. Kita buat kan? Sempat kan kita buat ni? And then okay, and then kita panaskan dia. So ini directly heated, and the first method is hydrogen gas like the diagram given. Okay, 100 cm cube of 2 mole HCl is react with excess zinc powder to produce a gas needed for the reaction. Okay, kita tengok at the left side. Hydrochloric acid plus zinc, what is the product? HCl plus zinc. The product are, what is the product?
ZnCl.
plus 2.
Very good.
Plus H2.
ZnCl2 plus
H2.
H2. So this H2 used for this experiment. So H2 akan flow through the combustion tube, and then akan masuk U-tube, combustion tube, and then kita akan heatkan metal X. Okay, satu lagi soalan. Macam mana kamu nak tahu? Okay, this metal using hydrogen gas. This metal using crucible like this. So how to differentiate it? Based on what? How you all know that this metal nak dapat empirical formula using hydrogen gas? This metal to get the empirical formula using directly heated. So how? Macam mana kamu tahu? Follow apa?
Reactivity series of metals.
Tak dengar apa, Elvin?
Reactivity series of metal.
Yes, very good, Elvin. Kita follow reactivity series of metal. Okay, reactivity series of metal kamu kena hafal. Okay, kalau nak kahwin mesti ada zakah fleksibel supaya perkahwinan cukup anak. Okay, now kamu kena tahu dekat atas zinc ni adalah karbon, bawah zinc adalah hidrogen. So, mana-mana elemen yang above daripada hydrogen, we use directly heated, that we use the crucible. Ulang sekali lagi mana-mana elemen yang berada above hydrogen, kita akan directly heated using crucible. Okay. Manakala yang mana-mana bawah hydrogen ni kita guna dalam diagram 3 ni. Understand or not? Can you differentiate it? Means more reactive than hydrogen, guna directly heated. Mana yang below hydrogen mean less reactive than hydrogen, kita guna kaedah diagram 3 ni. Boleh? Okay, next kita tengok what is the definitions of empirical formula. Okay, empirical formula is formula that shows simplest ratio of atom for each element in a compound. Okey, cikgu nak bagi tahu sekali lagi. Untuk soalan meaning, definition, tolong tulis definition yang tepat and penuh. Satu markah macam ni kalau kamu tertinggal mana-mana word memang akan dapat kosong. Faham? So siapa-siapa yang memang nak dapat A+ chemistry, tolong soalan definition kamu kena memorize dengan betul. Okay, next. State one suitable metal oxide that can use in this apparatus. Okay, yang mana agak-agak suitable? Respon?
Zinc.
Respon?
Zinc oxide
Zinc oxide dia mesti below hydrogen. Must below the
Iron.
apa? Sorang-sorang. Iron 2 oxide, betul. Lagi selain daripada iron 2 oxide? Sebab dia kata metal oxide kan. So you kena tulis nama dia, iron 2 oxide. Other than iron 2 oxide, apa lagi yang suitable? Mesti below hydrogen. Copper 2 oxide. Or lead 2 oxide. Mana-mana yang bawah daripada hydrogen. So antara tiga-tiga ni boleh terima. As long as dia bawah hydrogen. Okay, next. Soalan number 2. The gas emit at point A is test using light wooden splinter. Why did we do this procedure? Kenapa kamu kena buat? Okay, kenapa untuk eksperimen ni? Okay, kamu letak benih wooden splinter dekat sini. Dekat sini gas keluar kan? Okay, kenapa kena test? To what? Apa tujuan dia? Respon. Kenapa kita kena letak benih wooden splinter dekat situ?
To detect presence of hydrogen gas.
Okay. To detect what?
Presence of hydrogen gas.
Okay, to make sure all of you remove. Sebab apa macam ni? All the oxygen inside. Bila so barulah Pak Ustaz berbunyi. Kenapa metal oxide? Kenapa kita kena remove all oxygen? Respon? Kenapa kita kena remove oxygen? Respon please. Guys, kenapa kita kena remove oxygen inside the combustion tube? Sebab apa?
Prevent explosion.
Siapa boleh jawab? Dia pandai pun. Sebab to prevent explosions occur. Sebab bila oksigen bergabung dengan hidrogen boleh berlakunya explosion. So first of all, we need to make sure that all the oxygen being removed. Barulah kita boleh start heating the metal oxide. Okay, next. State the name of the gas released when hydrochloric acid react with zinc powder. So gas apa tadi?
Hydrogen.
Zinc apa? Hydrogen, pandai. Okay, next. The burning of metal X oxide produce the reading in table 3. So we have mass of combustion tube plus porcelain dish. Cikgu labelkan number 1. This one plus metal oxide 2. This one with metal X 3. So determine the empirical formula of metal X. Kalau tak salah, okay, 4 markah. So benda pertama, kalau empirical formula mesti buat in the form of table. Dah banyak kali pesan, tolong buat dalam bentuk table. So mesti ada X, mesti ada O. So benda yang pertama is mass. So how to find mass of X? Mana tolak mana? Ha? How to find X? Number 3 minus number 1. Betul? So 5.328 minus 4.560. So mass is, berapa mass dapat? Siapa dah buat? Berapa? Pandai, 0.768 gram. Okay, for oxygen kita tolak number 3 dengan number 2. So 5.328. Sorry, number 2 minus number 3. Okay. 5.520 minus 5.328. So the answer is, berapa jawapan dia? What is the mass of oxygen?
0.192.
Very good. 0.192 gram. Okay, settle untuk mass. Next step. After find mass, what should we do? Number of mole. Okay, 0.768 divide by the molar mass, that is 64. Berapa? How much?
0.012.
Okay, very good. This one 0.192 divide by 16. Berapa dapat? Mole of oxygen.
Same.
Oh, same, pandai. 0.02 mole. Okay. Then next kita akan buat mole ratio. So mole ratio we divide by the smallest mole, tapi memandangkan dua-dua ni mole dia sama, so tak ada masalah lah. Kalau different mole, you divide by the smallest number of mole, okay? So this one 1, 0.012 divide by 0.012 also 1. So 1 mark for mass, second mark for number of mole, third mark for mole ratio, and last one is for the empirical formula is XO. Markah keempat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next. Boleh? Untuk calculation ni boleh semua? Okay, D. A student replaced the metal oxide used in diagram 3 with metal white oxide. He observed there was no reaction at all when metal X is heated. Okay, suggest metal X, metal white oxide. And then reason why reaction did not occur. So markah pertama suggest apa metal yang tak boleh react ni. Metal apa yang tak boleh react macam kaedah yang diagram 3 tadi?
Magnesium.
Magnesium, very good. So bila dia kata metal white oxide tu kena tulis nama oxide So magnesium oxide, 1 markah. Okay, kenapa magnesium oxide ni tak boleh guna kaedah yang first because of what?
More
Because
reactivity than
magnesium more reactive than what?
hydrogen.
Then hydrogen. Very good. 2 markah. Pandai. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, we go to question number 4. Table 4 shows the information of elements in periodic table of elements. Okay, dia bagi kamu periodic table. Kalau kamu nampak kan from Na to Cl, all elements located in, apa yang sama untuk semua elemen from sodium to chlorine? Apa yang sama?
Period 3.
Pandai. Both all located in period 3 because all other 3 shells. Very good. So which period are the elements placed? Period 3. 1 mark. State the elements that form amphoteric. Amphoteric. Okay, sebelum tu what is amphoteric? What is amphoteric oxide? Apa dia, what is the definitions of amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxide, respond. What is amphoteric oxide?
Can react with acid and alkali.
Very good. Amphoteric oxide means it can react both with acid and alkali to produce salt and water. So antara banyak-banyak ni daripada sodium to chlorine, yang mana amphoteric? Which one is amphoteric? Satu saja amphoteric. Apa dia?
Aluminium.
Apakah dia amphoteric? Pandai. Aluminium. Okey, selain daripada amphoteric oxide, dia ada juga base oxide dengan acidic oxide. So, kalau aluminium is amphoteric, okay, A for amphoteric. So, sodium until magnesium is what? Base oxide. Okay, while silicon anti chlorine is acidic oxide. Okay, explain why the electronegativity increases. Kenapa electronegativity increase across the period? Kenapa semakin ke kanan, dia semakin bertambah electronegativity? So, from left to right, pertama kamu cerita dari segi size. Macam mana size dia? From left to right, size of atom increase ke decrease?
Increase.
Decrease. From left to right, size of atom decreases. Maksudnya it become smaller. Okay, point yang pertama. Why dia smaller? Kenapa semakin ke kanan from left to right the size smaller? The size decrease.
More
Because of what?
More proton.
Okay, betul. Because the number of proton increase. Okay, bila number of proton increase, so the attractive forces also increase. Okay, bila proton size increase, attractive forces increase, apa yang berlaku? It's easier for the proton in the nucleus to attract electron to enter the outermost shell. So bila it easier for the proton in the nucleus to attract electron from the outside to enter the outermost shell. Bila electron tu dah enter outermost shell, dia akan achieve octet electron arrangement. So inilah markah point-point yang perlu kamu tulis nak bagi tahu why from left to right the electronegativity increase. Okay, next. Okay, next question. Okay, question B. Chlorine can react with carbon and sodium to produce two different compound as shown in diagram 4. Okay, pertama, chlorine kita tahu chlorine group 17. Okay, sodium group 1. Carbon group 14. So kita akan dapat dua compound. Compound X ni compound apa? Ionic ke covalent? Ionic or covalent? So chlorine and
Ionic.
sodium. Ionic. Apakah nama compound yang terhasil? NaCl. Okay. Kalau chlorine dengan carbon adalah covalent compound. So nama dia adalah CCl4. Okay. Ionic compound ni macam mana boleh hasilkan ionic compound? Ionic compound can form from metal and non-metal. Kalau covalent, non-metal dengan non-metal. Itu beza ionic dengan covalent. Okay, which compound would not be able to conduct electric? Yang mana tak boleh conduct electric?
Covalent.
Which compound? Y ke X?
Y.
Okay, pandai. Write the chemical equation for D1 untuk jadi Y. So, tak dah tulis kat atas. Write the chemical equation carbon plus chlorine gas. So, dia akan dapat CCl4 put 2 here. Okay, complete. 2 markah. 1 markah untuk correct chemical equation. Number 2 mesti balance. Okay, 3. Draw the electron arrangement diagram for a compound that has high melting point and boiling point at room temperature. So agak-agak yang melting point and boiling point higher ni ionic ke covalent? Ionic kan, betul? NaCl tadi dah tulis dah sodium chloride. So dia minta kamu tulis compound, draw. So kamu kena tengok yang mana release electron, yang mana receive electron. So Na, okay, first shell fill up with 2 and then 8. Okay, 8. So Na release electron. So dia akan jadi charge apa? Na akan jadi charge apa? Na? Because Na release electron. Positive 1. Okay, now kita draw for Cl pula. Cl. Okay, okay, we use different symbol of electron. 2, 8, 8. Ingat tadi, chlorine tadi tu dia dah receive 1 electron from sodium. Okay, tengok cikgu buat satu dot ni merujuk daripada Cl. Okay, then charge dia minus. So, markah 2 markah pastikan number of shell, number of electron betul untuk dua-dua and that charge pun betul baru dapat 2 markah. Boleh? Okay, next we go to page, we go to next question. Okay, question number 5. Rate of reaction. Dah belajar juga rate of reaction. Dah belajar kan rate of reaction? Okay, 50 cm cube 0.2 mol per dm cube sodium thiosulfate and excess sulfuric acid. The reaction is carried out at room temperature. Okay, the equation below sodium thiosulfate plus sulfuric acid dapat sodium sulfate, water, sulfur and sulfur dioxide. So sulfur ni lah yang precipitate form tu. Sulfur ni lah adalah precipitate. So apa color sulfur guys?
Yellow.
Yellow, pandai. Okay, next. Calculate the mass of sulfur formed at the end of reaction. So dia minta kamu kira mass sulfur. Tapi yang dia bagi data adalah untuk sodium thiosulfate. Dia bagi kamu sini 50 cm cube sekali dengan concentration dia adalah 0.2 mol. Okay, apa kita nak buat guys? First step kita nak buat apa? Apa kita nak buat? Kita cari mole of what? Mole for sodium thiosulfate using N equals to mv over 1000. Okay, tadi 0.2 concentration. Volume is 50 divided by 1000. So kita akan dapat 0.01 mol. Second step kita buat apa? Respon second step.
Ratio.
Ratio between sodium thiosulfate dengan sulfur. Pandai. So Na2S2O3 ratio dengan S. Okay, from the equation kita nampak sodium thiosulfate 1, sulfur also 1. So from equation 1, 1. So from calculation this one is 0.01. So sulfur also 0.01 mol. Dah siap belum? Dah settle belum? Not
No.
yet,
Not
right?
yet.
Okay, kita nak cari mass untuk sulfur. So mol times molar mass. Mol is 0.01. Molar mass adalah kat atas tu 32. So tekan calculator. The answer is 0.32. Don't forget unit gram. Settle. 3 markah. Okay, cikgu nak tanya, kenapa kita tak nak buat ratio antara H2SO4 dengan sulfur? Respon? Why kita tak compare sulfur dengan H2SO4? Ada juga data dekat atas ni. Kita ada juga 5 cm3 dengan excess sulfuric. Kenapa? Kimberly, kenapa Kimberly? Why Kimberly? Kenapa we don't use sulfuric acid to compare with sulfur? Shinian, respon? Tak tahu.
Tak bagi mole.
Okay, sebab apa?
Never give the mole.
Sebab kamu tengok sini, dia guna excess sulfuric acid. So we cannot compare when use excess sulfuric acid. Kita tak nak kira kan. Okay, now we go to question 2. If the X mark disappears after 60 seconds, determine the rate of reaction for this experiment. So, macam mana nak tahu ROR? Kita cari changes yang berlaku divide by time, betul? Okay, changes dekat sini adalah mass of sulfur form. So mass of sulfur kita dah kira ke atas tadi berapa? 0.32 gram. Time yang diambil 16 second. So tekan calculator, your answer is 0.02. Ikut unit dekat sini, gram per second. Betul. Boleh tak? To determine the ROR, mesti tengok changes. So in this experiment, the changes is mass of sulfur form. Mass of precipitate form, kita divide by time. So 0.32 dapat daripada mana? Kita dah kira tadi mass of sulfur dekat atas. And then divide by 16 yang dia bagi dekat soalan tadi. Okay, next, see. Diagram 5.2 shows a few changes for this experiment. Choose 2 changes and tick for the change that increase ROR. So yang mana akan increase ROR? Pertama, mestilah yang higher temperature. Second, yang menggunakan more, yang ada higher concentration. So ni 2 jawapan dia. Apa faktor-faktor that affect ROR? Respon? Ada berapa faktor yang affect ROR?
4.
Pertama,
Temperature.
Second, catalyst. Third, concentration. 4, last one apa? Last one, size. Okay, good. Okay, next. State the factors that affect in ROR of one of your answer. Okay, kita ambil faktor apa? Okay, cikgu ambil faktor temperature. Okay, factor temperature. Okay, based on collision theory, explain how the ROR increase collisions theory. Okay, pertama, when temperature is higher, what happen? Okay, when the temperature is higher, it contain more energy. Okay, then and particles have that it contain more kinetic energy and particles move faster. Point yang pertama. Point yang kedua, bila dia move faster, frequency of collision between between thiosulfate ion and hydrogen ion higher. Okay, then point yang ketiga, frequency of effective collision between thiosulfate ion and hydrogen ion higher. Okay, kenapa thiosulfate ion? Sebab sodium thiosulfate tu dia soluble. Okay, so kita akan ionizekan dia. Jadilah dapatlah thiosulfate ion je based on the ionic equation. So yang ni penting. Macam mana kamu tahu okay react apa dengan apa based on ionic equation. Kamu kena buat ionic equation baru kamu tahu oh ion apa react dengan ion apa or molecule is known to be acidic. Tadi dah tulis dah ke atas. Gas apa yang release tadi? Gas apa yang release tadi yang bersifat acidic berdasarkan equation atas ni? Ni mana? Ni gas apa ni? Gas acidic ni apa nama dia? SO2 ni apa? Apa nama SO2 gas ni?
Sulfur dioxide.
Sulfur dioxide. Dia bersifat acidic. So describe a test to verify whether the gas is acidic or not. So kita nak guna apa? Kita nak guna apa?
Wet, moist blue litmus paper.
Yes, panda. Okay, we put moist blue litmus paper at mouth of conical flask. Satu markah and then observation apa jadi? Okay. Blue litmus paper turn red. 2 markah. Okay, soalan yang terakhir. Okay, soalan last. Okay, soalan last. Okay, question 6. Diagram 6.1 shows the observation obtained when 0.5 mole lead to nitrate is added with 0.5 mole potassium chromate. Okay, the experiment is repeated 6 more times with varying volume of potassium chromate. Okay. Okay. Kita tengok sini. Dekat sini equation kita nampak lead to nitrate bila react dengan potassium chromate, dia akan dapat lead to chromate precipitate. Dia akan form precipitate. Apa nama method ni? Soluble salt react with soluble salt. Apa nama reaction ni? Respond, apa nama reaction? Apakah nama reaction ini? Lead to nitrate dengan potassium 4 chromate. Nama reaction? Double apa?
Decomposition.
Double
Composition.
decomposition. Double decomposition is the reaction to produce insoluble salt. Okay, tengok kat sini kita tengok volume of lead to nitrate dia constant, dia ubah potassium chromate. Agak-agak yang mana reaction complete? Based on the data, dekat mana reaction dah start complete?
5.0.
Okay, bila ketinggian precipitate tu dah constant iaitu 3 cm. So inilah yang reaction complete. Bila kita pakai 5 lead to nitrate and 5 cm cube of potassium chromate. Okay, state the chemical formula for lead to chromate 6. PB
PbCr6.
PB. Okay, chromate ni apa? Dia punya ion CrO4 2 minus, PB 2 plus. So bila kita combine kan jadi PbCrO4 lead to chromate 6. Okay, next. Based on table 6, state the volume of potassium chromate needed to completely react. Berapa tadi? 5.0 cm cube. Okay, next. Determine the number of mole for potassium chromate. Kita guna formula N equals to MV over 1000. Tengok balik potassium chromate. Okay, potassium chromate kita guna 5 cm cube. Concentration dia berapa? 0.5, 0.5. So, okay, just substitute 0.5 times 5 divide by 1000. Tekan calculator, the answer is 0.0025 mole. Okay, same goes to lead to nitrate using N equals to MV over 1000. Okay, sama juga. Concentration sama kan tadi, lead to nitrate. Lead to nitrate, okay, also 0.5. Okay, 0.5. And then volume use 5 because masa 5 lah dia complete. Divide by 1000, so dapat 0.0025 mole. Satu markah sini, satu markah di atas. Okay, construct the ionic equation for the formation of precipitate formed in the experiment. Okay, precipitate dia nama apa tadi? Lead to chromate 6 kan? So macam mana boleh dapat lead to chromate 6 ni? Mesti ada PB 2 plus chromate ion CrO4 2 minus. So dapatlah lead to chromate 6. O ni kena besar. O biasalah. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, diagram 6.3 shows a series of chemical reaction for salt X. Okay, salt X. Heated dapat gas Y, dapat solid Z. Okay, dia bagi tahu sini. When X is heated, colorless gas which turn lime water cloudy release. So gas apa release ni? Turns lime water carbon dioxide CO2. So kita tahu dalam salt X ni mesti ada ion. Ion apa? Kalau release carbon dioxide mesti ada ion apa? When release carbon dioxide gas mesti ada ion apa? Carbonate. Very good. Carbonate. Okay. Form solid Z. Solid Z is brown solid that turns yellow when cool. Maksudnya brown when hot, yellow when cool. Apa dia? What oxide yang brown when hot, yellow when cool?
Lead.
Pandai. Lead to oxide. So mestilah nama garam ni adalah lead to carbonate. Okay, then letak HCl. Agak-agak jadi apa ni? Dapat lead apa ni? PbCO3 plus HCl. Okay. PbCO3 plus HCl. The product are PbCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. So P ni adalah PbCl2. Okay, soalan tanya what is X? So X adalah apa tadi? Dah bincang. X adalah lacto carbonate. Kalau dia kata identify, dia tak minta nama, boleh lagi tulis formula. Kalau nak tulis nama, pastikan lac ni mesti ada dia punya oxidation number. Lacto carbonate. Ingat, lac mesti wajib tulis dia punya oxidation number. So Y adalah Y adalah carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. While Z last kali is XYZ. Z adalah lacto oxide. Briefly describe a chemical test to identify the anion in colorless solution P. Solution P ni tadi apa? Lacto chloride kan? So dia lacto chloride. So anion dia adalah Cl minus. So macam mana nak ingat Cl minus? Okay, dah ajar dah dulu. Cindy suka nasi anti-clockwise. Okay, so untuk test chloride mesti ada acid, nitric acid dan mesti ada AgNO3. So kita tulis lah. Yang pertama apa nak tulis? Okay. Measure and pour. Okay, ingat kalau kita pakai test tube, maximum volume yang boleh occupied dalam test tube adalah 10 cm3. Again, untuk guna test tube maksimum boleh pakai 10 saja. Maximum solution tu dalam test tube boleh maksimum pakai 10 cm3. So agak-agak lah. So kita pakai 3 measure and pour 3 cm3 of nitric acid into solution P inside the test tube. Satu markah. Markah yang kedua, add 3 cm3 of silver nitrate solution into test tube. Okay, then barulah observation. Apa observation dia guys? Observation apa bila kita dah bubuh nitric acid dan kita bubuh silver nitrate? Apa dia? Apakah observation dia? White precipitate and form shows the presence of chloride ion. Okey, selesai. Okey, habis. Okey, habis dah kelas. Okey. So, kelas dah selesai. Siapa yang belum tulis apa panggil ni tolong tulis Siapa yang belum fill up attendance, please fill up. Okay, so we stop here. Any question? Any question?
No.
Okay, alright. So okay, kalau no, okay, bye bye. Boleh keluar daripada ni.
Thank you, cikgu.
Okay, bye bye.